Right now, you actually do everything Companies House ask. You verify your identity, file your confirmation statement, and link your directorship. You hit submit and get on with your day, because as far as you're concerned, that's one job done. Then, a letter arrives from Companies House, not saying you're late, not saying you've made a mistake, just telling you your person of significant control hasn't been verified and you've got 14 days to sort it out. And that's exactly what happened to a client who called me earlier today. Clearly frustrated and completely caught off guard. He said, "I've had this letter from Companies House, but I thought everything was already done. I verified myself when Companies House asked, I filed my confirmation statement, and I linked my directorship. And if that sounds like you, stay with me, because this catches far more business owners and clients out than you'd expect. And once you see why it happens, you will be surprised how easily it is fixed later on in this video. And if you own more than one company, make sure you stay to the end. There's a bonus tip that could save you another letter." So, here's the part most directors aren't aware of. The personal code you receive when you verify your identity does not automatically link to every role when you file your confirmation statement. Companies House treats director and person of significant control as two separate roles, even when it's the same person. So, what typically happens is this. You provide your personal code for your director role and your confirmation statement goes through without any issues. But that doesn't count as providing your code for your person of significant control role, even though it's still you. Even though it's the same personal code, that code still needs to be linked separately to the person of significant control record. If it isn't, everything still looks fine on the surface until that letter arrives. And by then, you're on a deadline, often without even realizing why. Now, before you do anything, make sure you have your Companies House personal verification code, your company number, and access to your Gov1 login account. Once you've got those, the fix is simple, providing you're working in the right section. So, if you've already had the letter, don't panic and don't ignore it. Once the PSC is verified, the issue is usually resolved without any further problems. A quick reminder from me to you, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe. It's free and it really supports the channel, and definitely easier than dealing with taxes. Now, let's continue learning. Here's exactly how to link your person of significant control. Head over to Companies House. Scroll down and click Start. You'll be asked to sign in using your gov.uk1 login. Sign in, and from there, you start the process to provide identity verification details for a person of significant control. Enter your email address, your password, and your security code. Once you're in, Companies House asks for the company number. You enter it, and before anything else happens, you're shown the company details on screen. The company name, company number, status, date of incorporation, company type and registered address. This is just a check to make sure you're working on the right company. If everything looks correct, confirm and continue. Now you'll see the PSC Identity Verification Overview. This is the important screen. It shows which PSCs have already been verified, which ones haven't, and the 14-day deadline for each person. In many cases, you'll see your own details listed there. You'll see your name, date of birth, the date your PSC status started, your verification deadline, and most importantly, your verification status. If it says Unverified, this is the gap that caused the letter. From here, you choose the option to provide verification details. When prompted, you'll enter your personal code. It's the same code you already have. You're just now linking it specifically to the PSC role. You save and continue, confirm the details, and submit. Once that's done, the PSC status updates to verified, and Companies House sends a confirmation email to confirm verification requirements complete. Bonus tip: what if I have more than one company? You only verify your identity once with Companies House. However, your personal code must be linked separately to each company where you are a director or a PSC. Now, if you haven't verified your identity with Companies House yet, don't guess your way through it. I've already put together a step-by-step walkthrough showing exactly how to verify your identity and get your personal code. Watch that video next, then come back here to make sure it's linked properly to the right roles. If you found this helpful, feel free to watch the video again or share it with anyone who might need help. And don't forget to like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Many thanks for watching.